In this video from FFX, we'll show you how to use a multi-tool. A multi-tool is one of the most versatile tools you can have in your kit. From making plunge cuts into wood or plaster, removing grouting for tiles, sanding down old paint or cutting through nails, a multi-tool can do it all and more. It's the ideal tool for kitchen fitters and electricians, for example. The ability to cut through copper and plastic pipes or into plasterboard for sockets make it handy and versatile. Of course, the application is always dependent on the accessory fitted. There are dozens of accessories available for multi-tools, so always make sure you've fitted the correct one for the job. The motor in the multi-tool oscillates the accessory, so look out for the oscillations per minute. The higher the number gives you more power. The angle of oscillation is also important to consider. The bigger the angle, the faster the cutting action. This is important when undertaking cutting applications into thick material like oak, for example. The tool will have a variable speed dial, allowing you fine control over the power for your application. Look for a multi-tool with a quick change mechanism, as this allows you to swap out accessories with minimum fuss. Due to the nature of the fitting mechanism, multi-tool accessories can be set at the exact angle you need. Do you need a corded or cordless multi-tool? Again, this depends on the type of jobs you'll be doing. For heavy duty cutting, or when you need to use the tool for extended periods, it makes sense to go for a corded version. However, a cordless multi-tool with a brushless motor will be more than adequate for most users.